Hey guys, this is Sam from Prep for Success, and today I'm going to go over em dashes. So these look like the most scariest types of punctuation. However, as long as you understand the previous concepts that we went over, em dashes are actually the most simple. And the reason is because they don't have a rule on their own. They actually just substitute other punctuations that we've already discussed. For example, they can replace two parentheses, they can replace two commas, or they can replace one colon. So what I mean by that is if we have this sentence, the author made sure to correct the mistakes, all 32 of them, before releasing his book. So all 32 of them is some additional information. We don't actually need that within the sentence, but it does add some clarity to the sentence. So considering it's some additional information, we can actually put parentheses around that. But like we talked about in the comma section, if we're putting parentheses around something, we can also put commas around that section as well, because two commas indicate additional information. Now, a third substitute for two parentheses or for two commas would be to put two em dashes. So that's kind of this elongated dash, and we could put that before as well as after the additional information, just like what we do for two commas or two parentheses. So now our third rule is they can replace one colon. For example, in this sentence, we have my favorite colors are the following: blue, green, and pink. And in the previous video, we discussed that after the following, we could have a colon, and that works because we have a complete sentence before it as well as some additional information after it. And since this is a list, we will also need to put commas. However, we know that anytime that we have a colon, it can also be replaced with one em dash. Therefore, we can rewrite this sentence as my favorite colors are the following. And we could insert an em dash. Then we can say blue, green, and pink. And that would also be sufficient. Now, just to recap, if we have two parentheses, it can replace two commas as well as two em dashes. But if we have a colon, it replaces only with one em dash. So don't get confused, because a comma cannot be replaced with an em dash. Only it can be replaced if there is two of them. So this would work. However, a comma replaced with an em dash would not work.